here today to unpack our brand new ColorChecker Passport 2. So if we take a look at it, here it is. So one of the first things you'll notice when you get the card is that we have a little instruction book. What you want to do is go in and download the software. The QR code will automatically take you to the website where you can download your free software. Also, this acts as a quality statement. Every ColorChecker chart and every ColorChecker product is made to exacting standards, and we're just communicating that so that you know that. Now what we'll do is we'll take our target, set it over here to the side. The other item that you do not want to forget is that inside every package, we've got a lanyard for you. And the lanyard can be attached to this simple little hole here, and then you're able to keep your ColorChecker with you at all times. The other item that's in the package is going to be the warranty card that comes with every ColorChecker Passport. Now for the ColorChecker Passport itself. What we've done with the two is to improve it by adding in an 18% gray card that can be used for exposures. It can also be used for light balancing. The other item on top is still that same neutral white balance card. And then the other two targets that are within the product are your traditional ColorChecker 24 patch and then also your enhancement card. One of the biggest things here is the ColorChecker 24 patch works with our camera calibration software. What that does is that allows you to create a profile for the images that you're capturing to make your editing process that much easier and quicker so that you can do what you love best, which is work on the creative side. So enjoy working with our products and thank you for your time.